So I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi setup, so how to connect with the home or office Wi-Fi network. Now the first step is to switch on the printer. So press the power button. There is a wireless button and the cancel button. So we have to press both buttons for 3 seconds. Release the buttons and you will see the power button is flashing. After some time it will stop flashing and it will stay on, and the blue wireless button will start to flash. That means the printer has entered into the setup mode. Now we go to the device. For example, I have Android phone or iPhone, and open the HP Smart app, and you can download this app from the App Store, as you can see here. So click on the app, and here we have to add the printer. So click on the plus button on the top of the screen, and we will see here IndexJet Plus 4100 series printer. So tap to set up this printer. Now it will show up the Wi-Fi network where your iPhone is connected, and it will connect the printer to the same Wi-Fi. So enter the password of the Wi-Fi network. Once we enter the password, click on the continue button. Now wait for the printer to set up. So here it says to press the flashing information button on the printer. So as you can see, this is the information button. So click it once. Here we see it says the printer is connected to the Wi-Fi. So click on the continue button. Click continue again. If you want, you can create an HP account so that you can use the full benefits. Otherwise you can click on the skip warranty and account activation. On the next screen you will see setup is complete, let's print. So click on the print button so that we can see if printer is connected or not, and for that we need to load the A4 size sheets. So you can load it at the rear paper tray. Once we load the paper, click on the print button. So click on the print button. So once we print the welcome page, click on the continue button. If you want, you can send the link to other devices, or you can skip this step and click on yes button. And in the final you will get the setup is complete. Click on the all done button. And once you are ready, you will see the printer is added on the top of the screen or this app, and now you can do the wireless printing and scanning from here. Thanks for watching.